since the dawn of mankind, these questions remain unanswered. Are we alone in the universe? What is the meaning of life? Why am I still single? What is my wife thinking? So we decided to ask Gurudev everything on... Gurudev, the topic for the AGA is love, relationship, marriage.
We have a bunch of...
Well, I am not experienced in this, let me tell you.
The topic is hair, right?
Well, we anyway went ahead and asked him everything on love.
How do I know that I have found my soulmate?
Marriage.
Gurudev, why aren't you married?
Relationships.
How to strike the perfect balance between mother and wife.
This is really a skill. Don't you have to pray to God to give you that skill?
Join us this Sunday for yet another episode of Ask Gurudev Anything, premiering exclusively on Gurudev's YouTube channel.